Okay, this is lesson 3 about the types of lakes basing on their mode of formation. And here we have Oasis lakes. Oasis lakes. These are desert lakes. They are lakes formed when depressions eroded by wind in desert areas are filled with water. Wind in the desert regions erodes the desert surface vertically and sometimes reaches the water table. Then the water follows this depression and forms oasis lakes. Or sometimes wind might not reach the water table, but it forms a depression after drilling the surface of a desert. And when this depression is filled with water, it forms oasis lakes. For example, if this is a desert surface and it is affected by wind erosion, wind erodes it vertically and it reaches the water table, the water will come following the depression and forms oasis lake. Then we have depositional lakes. These lakes are formed under the process of deposition, and examples of these lakes include oxbow lakes. I hope these are lakes we covered under rivers, in the lower stage of a river. Oxbow lakes can also be called horseshoe lakes. They are formed when a meander neck is cut off by the river deposits. You can look at the diagram. This river was meandering in its lower stage with its meander neck here, and this meander neck was blocked. This meander neck was blocked by river deposits, and these river deposits separated a minor water body from the main river, and this minor water body that remains behind the depositional materials at the meander neck is what we call an oxbow lake. Then we have lagoon lakes. We also covered these ones under coastal geomorphology. We said these are lakes formed when part of the water from the main sea is enclosed by depositional materials and it is separated from the main sea. Part of the main sea is separated or enclosed by, for example, sandbars and sand spits. Then when this minor water body remains behind the sandbars and the sand spits, it forms a lagoon lake. For example, if you check on the diagram, this is the main sea. The main sea is here. And here there is a growing sand spit, sandbar, caspets, etc. And when these sand spits enclose small water body separated from the major water body or the major sea, this enclosed water body forms what we call a lagoon lake.